One small mistake in woodworking can ruin hours of effort, but the right tools can quietly eliminate those problems before they even begin. On TechVerse, we're breaking down 20 genius Kreg tools that bring precision, control, and consistency into every project. Stay with me, because every single tool you see here has its Amazon link waiting in the description, and missing one might mean missing the upgrade your workflow actually needs. Kreg Drill Guide Pro. You line up a drill for a clean hole, but the bit starts drifting halfway through. The Kreg Drill Guide Pro solves that by turning your standard drill into a guided system with adjustable angles from 45 to 45. The built-in depth stop keeps every hole consistent, while the centering guide and V-groove help stabilize both flat and round stock. With a firm grip base and dust port, it brings controlled, repeatable drilling to everyday woodworking tasks. Kreg Cabinet Hardware Jig Pro. Installing cabinet handles often looks simple until one misaligned hole ruins the entire layout. The Kreg Cabinet Hardware Jig Pro removes that risk by locking in precise measurements for repeatable drilling. Its adjustable guides handle wide spacing, while dual contact points keep the jig steady on the surface. The reversible design works for both doors and drawers without resetting everything. It's a practical tool that ensures consistent, professional hardware placement on every project. Kreg 1.4 Compact Impact Driver. Driving screws in tight cabinets or narrow frames can quickly become frustrating with bulky tools. The Kreg 1.4 Compact Impact Driver is built for those situations, offering a short 4.4-inch body that reaches confined spaces with ease. It delivers up to 2,200 lbs of torque with multiple speed settings for better control. Assist modes help prevent overdriving or stripping screws. It's a compact, controlled fastening solution that keeps your work clean and precise. Kreg 4.5 Circular Saw. Cutting plywood or trim with a full-size saw can feel bulky, especially when precision matters. The Kreg 4.5 Circular Saw offers a more controlled approach with its compact design and brushless motor. It delivers clean cuts with a 36-tooth blade, while the auxiliary handle improves stability during use. Features like soft start, an electronic brake, and adjustable depth and bevel settings keep operation smooth and safe. It's a practical choice for accurate, controlled cutting in everyday woodworking. Kreg 1.4 Trim Router. Edge work and fine detailing often demand more control than a full-size router can offer. The Kreg 1.4 Trim Router is built for that precision, with a compact cordless design and variable speed from 10,000 to 30,000 RPM. The rack and pinion depth adjustment allows accurate tuning, while the soft start motor keeps movement controlled. Dual LEDs and a clear base improve visibility, and the dust port helps keep the area clean. It's a reliable tool for clean, detailed routing work. Kreg Dowel Jig Kit. Aligning dowel joints can unpredictable unpredictable, especially when holes need to match perfectly across two pieces. The Kreg Dowel Jig Kit simplifies that process with built-in reference lines and alignment pins that guide accurate placement. Hardened steel drill guides keep holes straight, while the jig supports common joint types like edge, corner, and face frame connections. It helps create strong, hidden joints with a clean finish. It's a dependable solution for precise, repeatable joinery work. Kreg 5 Random Orbit Sander. Finishing a project often reveals every small imperfection, especially if sanding is uneven. The Kreg 5 Random Orbit Sander is designed to deliver smooth, consistent surfaces with variable speed control from 6 to 12,000 RPM. Its balanced design and ergonomic grip reduce fatigue during longer sessions, while the hook and loop pad allows quick grit changes. The built-in dust collection helps keep the workspace clean. It's a reliable tool for achieving clean, professional finishes with less effort. Kreg Oscillating Multi-Tool. Tight corners and detailed cuts often require a tool that can adapt without slowing you down. The Kreg Oscillating Multi-Tool handles flush cuts, plunge cuts, and sanding with controlled precision. It offers variable speed from 7 to 17,000 RPM and features a tool-free blade change system for quick transitions. The compact design, vibration damping, and built-in LED improve control and visibility. It's a versatile solution for handling small, precise tasks that larger tools cannot manage easily. Kreg MortiseMate Loose Tenon Jig. Creating strong mortise and tenon joints can be time-consuming when setup is complex. The Kreg MortiseMate loose tenon jig simplifies this by guiding accurate mortise cuts using a standard drill. Adjustable stops let you control the size and fit of each mortise, whether you want a tight press fit or slight flexibility for alignment. The stable platform supports repeatable work across multiple pieces. It's a practical way to achieve clean, consistent joinery without complicated setups. Kreg VersaGrip clamps. Holding pieces securely during glue-ups or assembly can be frustrating when clamps slip or shift under pressure. The Kreg VersaGrip clamps provide up to 300 pounds of clamping force with a movable head that locks into position along the bar. The reversible design allows use as both a clamp and a spreader, adding flexibility on different projects. An easy release trigger improves control during adjustments. It's a reliable solution for maintaining alignment and stability during assembly work. Kreg Portable Work Surface. Working on an uneven or cluttered surface can affect both accuracy and safety during a project. The Kreg Portable Work Surface provides a flat MDF platform with integrated dog holes for versatile clamping options. Grip Max anti-slip cords help keep materials steady, while the compact design fits well in smaller workspaces. Leveling feet add clearance for cutting and sanding tasks. It's a practical setup that creates a stable, controlled workspace wherever you need it. Kreg 300 Series Pocket Hole Jigs. Building strong joints without complicated setups can save a lot of time during a project. The Kreg 300 Series Pocket Hole Jigs make this process straightforward with an easy set thickness gauge and hardened steel drill guides for accurate hole placement. The kit includes essential components like a drill bit, driver bit, and stop collar to get started quickly. It works well for repairs, furniture, and DIY builds. It's a reliable system for creating clean, consistent pocket hole joinery. Kreg Panel Carrier. Handling large plywood sheets alone can quickly become unsafe and exhausting. The Kreg Panel Carrier is designed to grip panels securely from the top, allowing you to lift and carry full sheets with better balance. Its adjustable clamp pads adapt to common thicknesses, while the Grip Max surfaces hold firmly without damaging the material. The ergonomic handle reduces strain during transport. It's a simple tool that makes moving large panels safer and more controlled. Kreg Square Driver Combo. Driving pocket hole screws smoothly depends on having the right bit that stays engaged without slipping. The Kreg Square Driver Combo is built as a durable, one-piece driver set with magnetic tips that hold screws securely during use. It fits most drills with quick-change chucks and pairs directly with Kreg pocket hole systems. The design focuses on consistent engagement and control while driving. It's a reliable, everyday solution for clean, controlled fastening in woodworking projects. Kreg KDRV-FLIP Quick Flip. Switching between drilling pilot holes and driving screws can slow down assembly work. The Kreg KDRV-FLIP Quick Flip combines both steps into one dual-action bit. One side drills a pilot hole and counterbore, while the other side drives the screw, allowing quick transitions without changing tools. It fits standard drills and impact drivers, and the quick release housing keeps the process smooth. It's a practical way to speed up repetitive fastening while maintaining clean, consistent results. Kreg Accu-Cut Circular Saw Track. Freehand cutting large sheets often leads to slight deviations that affect the final fit. The Kreg Accu-Cut Circular Saw Track turns your standard circular saw into a guided cutting system for straight, repeatable cuts. The track uses anti-slip strips and an anti-chip edge to keep the saw aligned without clamps. Its universal sled fits most saws and locks in securely. It's a practical solution for achieving clean, accurate cuts when working with large panels. Kreg Hardware Jig. Drilling perfectly aligned holes for cabinet handles can quickly turn into guesswork without a guide. The Kreg Hardware Jig provides a durable aluminum template with adjustable guides that support a wide range of handle spacings. The etch scale and movable stops help position holes accurately every time, while steel drill guides keep the bit steady. It's easy to set up and repeat across multiple pieces. It's a reliable tool for consistent, professional-looking hardware installation. Kreg Portable Crosscut. Making clean 90 or 45 cuts with a circular saw can be tricky without proper guidance. The Kreg Portable Crosscut turns your saw into a guided system that helps maintain straight, accurate cuts. Retractable cut line indicators improve positioning, while the anti-slip surface keeps the board steady. It supports boards up to 8 inches wide and works with most circular saws. It's a practical tool for achieving precise crosscuts without needing a full workshop setup. Kreg Multipurpose Project Blocks. Working directly on a flat surface can make sanding, cutting, or finishing more difficult and less precise. The Kreg Multipurpose Project Blocks elevate your workpiece, giving you better access from all sides while protecting the surface underneath. Their non-slip grip max surfaces keep materials stable, and the retractable painting points allow cleaner finishing. The blocks are shaped to prevent rolling and support consistent positioning. It's a simple setup upgrade that improves control across multiple woodworking tasks. Kreg Zinc Pocket Screw. Strong joinery depends just as much on the fastener as the jig you use, but Kreg Zinc pocket screws are designed specifically for pocket hole construction, with a self-tapping tip that eliminates the need for pilot holes in most cases. The square drive head reduces cam out, while the flat underside seats firmly in the pocket. Their case-hardened build resists stripping, and the zinc coating adds corrosion resistance for indoor use. It's a reliable choice for clean, secure, long-lasting joints. That brings us to the end of these 20 genius Kreg tools that can truly transform how you approach woodworking. If even one of these tools made your workflow easier, that's a win. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Hit like if you found value here, and subscribe to TechVerse for more practical tools and smart upgrades that actually make a difference.